Scene script. Have you ever wondered if there might be hidden treasures or lost civilizations out there in the vast expanse of space? Welcome to the intriguing and somewhat mysterious world of space archaeology. No, it's not about looking for alien pyramids or Martian pottery. Space archaeology is a real and growing field of study that's all about understanding our own human journey into the cosmos. It's the study of human-made artifacts in space, and contrary to what you might think, there are quite a few of them. From the remnants of the famous Apollo moon landings to the less well-known but equally fascinating Voyager golden records, there's a whole host of human history floating above our heads. These artifacts aren't just pieces of old technology, they're time capsules that tell us about the era in which they were made, the people who made them, and the dreams and aspirations that propelled them into space. But why is this important? Well, these artifacts are our legacy in space. They tell the story of our first tentative steps into the cosmos, how we've evolved our technology over time, and how our understanding and perception of space has changed. They're a record of our past, present, and potentially our future in space. Moreover, space archaeology isn't just about the past, it's also about the future. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we're going to leave more and more behind. Understanding how to manage these artifacts, how to preserve them, or even retrieve them, is going to be a big part of our future in space. It's about learning from our past to inform our future. And let's not forget the thrill of discovery. Who knows what we might find as we comb through the cosmic debris? Could there be forgotten relics from early space missions, or even, dare we say it, lost treasures? So buckle up as we journey through the cosmos in search of our lost artifacts, our celestial history, and the hidden treasures that lie in orbit. Imagine the moon, our closest celestial neighbor, as a vast museum of human endeavor. A museum not adorned with paintings and statues, but with relics of an ambitious species venturing beyond its earthly confines. The artifacts left by the Apollo missions are some of the most poignant exhibits in this lunar gallery. Let's take a stroll through this otherworldly collection. First off, the American flags, planted by astronauts as a symbol of national pride. Each of the 6 Apollo missions that landed on the moon left behind an American flag. But these flags aren't just national symbols. They are emblematic of human achievement, a physical manifestation of our ability to reach out into the universe. Next, we have the footprints, the very first human imprints on an extraterrestrial body. These footprints, preserved in the moon's unweathered surface, are a timeless record of that one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. And then there's the lunar roving vehicle, or the moon buggy, as it's more affectionately known. This vehicle, a marvel of engineering, allowed astronauts to travel further, to explore more of the moon's surface than ever before. These artifacts, each in their own right, tell the story of humankind's first steps into the cosmos. A story of courage, curiosity, and sheer human tenacity. Our moon, the silent sentinel, holds these artifacts in perpetuity, a testament to our first giant leap. Not all that glitters in the night sky is a star. Some of it is, well, garbage. Now don't let that dampen your celestial enthusiasm. This so-called garbage we're referring to is known as space debris, a term which encompasses everything from defunct satellites and spent rocket stages to fragments of disintegrated spacecraft and even, believe it or not, a spatula lost during a spacewalk. Yes, you heard that right, a spatula. But let's not be too quick to write off this cosmic clutter as mere rubbish. For some, these pieces of debris are valuable artifacts, relics of our ventures into the great unknown. Each piece tells a story, a tale of human ingenuity and exploration. Take decommissioned satellites, for example. These are not just hunks of metal floating aimlessly in the void. They were once cutting-edge pieces of technology, carrying out vital tasks, from weather forecasting and communication to scientific research and Earth observation. They are historic markers documenting the evolution of our space capabilities. And what about remnants from space missions? These could include anything from fragments of lunar rovers to abandoned modules of space stations. These artifacts bear witness to the daring feats of astronauts and the progress of space exploration. They are like the shipwrecks of the cosmos, each with its own unique story to tell. But remember the spatula I mentioned earlier? Well, even something as mundane as that holds significance. It's a testament to the everyday challenges faced by astronauts. It's a reminder that even in the realm of the extraordinary,
The ordinary still has its place. As we continue to explore and expand into space, the line between what we consider junk and artifact will continue to blur. What we see as commonplace today may be viewed as a historic artifact by future generations. So the next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember, one man's trash might just be another's treasure, even in space.
In 1977, we shot a time capsule into space, carrying a message from Earth for any extraterrestrial life that might find it. This was no ordinary message, it was the Voyager Golden Records. These phonograph records carried on board the Voyager spacecrafts are a testament to our existence, a snapshot of our civilization, and a portrayal of our shared human experience. The Golden Records are a fascinating blend of science and art. They hold a collection of sounds and images, carefully curated to represent the diversity of life and culture on Earth. From the chirping of birds to the roar of a rocket launch, from the cry of a newborn to the sounds of a kiss, they encapsulate the essence of our planet. But it's not just about the sounds. The records also contain 115 images encoded in analog form. These images paint a vivid picture of Earth, depicting our geography, our biology, our cultures, and our scientific achievements. They capture the grandeur of our mountains, the expanse of our oceans, the complexity of our DNA, and the wonder of our celestial observations. The Voyager Golden Records tell a story of a species that has learned to harness the power of the atom, yet still finds joy in a simple melody. A species that can peer into the depths of the universe, yet still takes time to appreciate the beauty of a sunset. A species that is a part of the vast cosmic tapestry, yet unique in its capacity for self-reflection and curiosity. The records are more than just a message for extraterrestrials, they're a mirror for us, a reflection of who we are as a species. They remind us of our achievements, our dreams, our hopes, and our shared humanity. They remind us that we are all passengers on the same spaceship, the spaceship Earth. This was our attempt to reach out to the cosmos to say, we are here, this is us, this is what we are like. We don't know if anyone or anything will ever find the records, but the act of creating and sending them is a testament to our optimism and our desire to be part of the larger cosmic community. The Voyager Golden Records, our message in a bottle cast into the cosmic ocean. As we continue to venture further into space, what will be the artifacts of the future? Imagine, if you will, a time when Mars rovers are as commonplace as the car in your driveway, or when space stations orbiting distant exoplanets are as familiar to us as the International Space Station is today. That's the potential future of space archaeology. As we set our sights on Mars and beyond, we're not just planning missions, we're creating the next generation of space artifacts. Unmanned rovers, landers, even the footprints we leave on Martian soil will become relics of a bygone era of human exploration, studied and revered by future generations. But the future of space archaeology isn't just about what we leave behind. It's also about preserving our space heritage. Every bolt, every scrap of metal, every dusty footprint tells a story. It's crucial that we protect these artifacts, not just for their historical value, but for the scientific insights they can provide. And let's not forget about the potential for discovery. As technology advances, who knows what lost treasures we might uncover? The universe is vast, and we've only just begun to explore its mysteries. So as we continue to push the boundaries of human knowledge and experience, let's remember that we're not just exploring, we're also creating history. As we write our story in the stars, we leave a trail for future generations to discover. So we've traveled from the moon to the edges of our solar system, hunting for our past in the cosmos. In this journey, we've unearthed the moon landing artifacts, those silent testimonials of human ingenuity and courage. We've navigated the fine line between space junk and space artifacts, realizing that even in the seemingly chaotic cloud of debris, there could be remnants of historic missions waiting to be rediscovered. We've also marveled at the Voyager Golden Records, those time capsules carrying the sounds and images of our world, now roaming in the interstellar space. They represent our eager attempts to communicate, to connect, to say that we are here, we exist. In essence, space archaeology is not just about dusting off the past, it's about piecing together our cosmic story. It's about knowing where we've come from and pondering where we might go. Space archaeology, it seems, is not just about understanding our past, but also about envisioning our future. It's a fascinating journey, and it's just getting started.